Greetings, beloved beings of light. I am Paul White Gold Eagle with PrimeDisclosure.com. Today is February 11th, 2023. We have some quick updates for you. We have massive energies coming in. Solaris released a powerful X-class solar flare today, an X 1.1 on the 11th, 1111 gateway. We have Christ consciousness codes. This is crystalline codes directly from the great central sun and through our Solaris deep into the crystalline core of Pachamama. And these are activating our 12 crystalline codes, our 12 strands of DNA. Here we had the X 1.16, Saturday, the 11th of February, 2023 at 1545 UTC. This is on spaceweatherlive.com. You could see we had 5 M-class flares today, just within the last several hours, and multiple C-class flares. So you see it comes up into the orange here, the yellow's the M, the X-class is the orange, and then above X10 up into the red here. So our sun, Solaris releasing one after another. You see it's building up here to get back up into the M class. We're at about C 8.52, so we may see some more M class flares and potentially another X class flare. We'll head over here to spaceweather.com, and these are crystalline codes of our 12 tribes. We have 12 earth facing sunspots, all releasing, many of these releasing solar flares. We had a radio blackout today. Earth orbiting satellites detected. This was the X 1.1 from Sunspot AR3217 at 1548 UTC. Extreme UV radiation ionized the top of Earth's atmosphere, causing strong shortwave radio blackout over South America. You can see in the red the whole continent, the whole landmass here of South America in the red. This is the massive energy. You can see 35. It's the highest frequency absorbed into the field here, into the electromagnetic field of Mother Earth, of Pachamama. So we're feeling these very deeply within. This is the 12 code of our 12-strand crystalline DNA, our 12 tribes of the rainbow tribes of New Earth, and the 12 solar discs being activated all over Pachamama. We had a lot of energy coming in, massive waves. These are gamma plasma waves coming in. Sunspot AR3217 has a beta gamma delta magnetic field that harbors energy for the X-class solar flares. This is where the X-class today came from. It just unleashed one, and this is, you can see in this diagram here, or this video, this, whatever it is, GIF or whatever, releasing this X-class flare here, and it is turning Earth-facing, so you can see 3217 here, and this trinity of sunspots here. So this is turning towards the Earth, and all of these are Earth-facing right now. So the 12 codes of our Maji, dragon, queens, and kings of the Grail Lineage, this is activating within our DNA, within our hearts, within our minds. We also had a massive activation on Pachamama here, 5.9 earthquake. This was in Indonesia on the Ring of Fire at 8:55 UTC. Epicenter was at 3.621, latitude 126.694 longitude. So this was just about 3 degrees north of the equator. This is Middle Dantian Heart Center. This is 48 kilometers depth. So a very powerful activation. We've had 103 earthquakes in the past 24 hours. One down in Argentina. This is the Kundalini of Mother Earth through our sacred Andes Mountains, the home of our sacred condors. 108 kilometer depth, 4.5. Here in Fiji, also Ring of Fire across the ocean with another 4 or 5. So we see these 999-454545, all very deep. Look at this, 583 kilometers depth and 574 here in Fiji, just north of the Tropic of Capricorn here in the Pacific Ocean. This is on the Ring of Fire, so this is the fire burning from within. This is initiation by fire. These fire codes coming from the sun. This is yang energy merging with the yin, the eagle fly with the condor. And we have here on Disclosure News IT, within the last few hours, blackout on the Schumann. So this, we're tapping into 0 point energy. This is void energy. This is a part of the reset, the recalibration of this timeline. We're going through a massive timeline leap here through the 0 point. This is the still center of infinite power, infinite light. And you could see starting just after 14 UTC for the last 3 hours, a blackout going on. It's 321 PST Pacific time on February 11th. So anchor in these codes deep into the core of Pachamama as we rise together through this most powerful ascension portal. This is it, beloved beings of light. Everything is amping up, ramping up for this great awakening, for this great shift of the ages we call the quantum leap of consciousness to the new earth, the new humanity, Homo luminous, beings of infinite light, infinite life, of the new golden age of eternal life. Have a most beautiful, blessed day. Keep living from your heart, walking your path with heart, being connected to all things, and transmitting your love and light out into this field to assist Gaia and all her children of the sun in this great shift of the ages. So thank you all very much for joining us today. Be sure to check out our full transmissions tonight. Have a most beautiful, blessed day. Namaste.